Alright guys, so today we're here at a place called Snake and Animal Farm. We're going to check this out. It's just a little roadside attraction. Once we get inside, I will do some more filming and let you know how it goes. While visiting the Pocono Mountains, we came across the Pocono Snake and Animal Farm. This family-owned business was established over 40 years ago and is still delighting people of all ages today. I will also be sure to include the website link for the attraction in the description below. While you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already. And leave a comment and let us know what you think about this place and this video. This attraction is open all year round and the hours of operation are from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. The cost to get in is $9.50 per adult, $7.50 for children ages 2 through 11, and children under the age of 2 get in free. This is the perfect starter zoo for kids or adults that have never been to a zoo. You get to hand and bottle feed many of the different animals as you go through this establishment. You will see that later in this video as well. Many of the animals arrived here via donations from owners who could no longer handle or take care of them. In their new home, they now get the care and attention they need for survival. Some of the animals have had a more famous route here by making appearances with people such as Jack Hanna and the greatest of all time, the crocodile hunter Steve Irwin. As you can see, there are several reptiles including snakes, lizards, turtles, alligators, and so much more you will be able to see at this farm. Alright guys, there you see Teeny the monkey. I'll show you his information. Oh, here he comes. Monkeys are one of my favorites.
Look, he's... No, do you want a picture? He likes pictures. He's not eating.
Hello, Fred.
His name's Timmy. Yeah? Can I take his picture? No. You don't like when I take his picture. Hi, Timmy. You dropped your toy. Monkey.
Monkey. Drop him some food in there.
He's not eating it though. He's not hungry.
This is Fred the monkey. We're getting ready to drop him some food in there. Look, he's waiting on it. Look, he was waiting for it.
He likes the grapes.
Take a fresh one. He's looking. He's looking. He's looking. Yeah, put it in.
Some of the other animals you will see are monkeys, sloth, lemurs, goats and pigs, which you can bottle feed, and many others. You can even feed a beautiful black bear named Blackberry. There is Jessica feeding a goat. too funny. You want some, bro? I got a dog that sounds like you.
Here. What? Right here.
Here he comes. That one?
Oh, good catch. We highly recommend checking this place out and making your own memories. Visiting helps support the cost of taking care of the animals and providing this great establishment for them to live in. While here, you are free to take pictures or videos according to the front desk staff. This will help you keep the memories of this place forever. Thank y'all for taking the time to watch this video. We invite you to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.